guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl dhalimartin, and in today's video I will be showing you how I meal prep with the assistance of my husband. So yes, if you would like to see more of this content, just leave me a comment down below and let me know what else do you want to see that's keto friendly. If you want to know more really what is keto and what it consists of, I don't know, whatever question you guys have in regards to it. So without further ado, here's the video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so that you can get notified every time that I post a video. Thank you guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go.
So what we're going to be making today is going to be, for short, it's going to be shrimp, the bogus crab meat. Bogus alive. It's not really crab meat. This is crab delights as imitation crabs. It's pretty as close as you can get to it for a cheaper price. Alright. So I'm gonna use the cutting board. So in case you don't have a knife sharpener, this is how you do it. Okay? Take the knife you're gonna use, plus another knife. And you're gonna do this motion like that, right? So you're gonna do so a couple of times carefully so that when you come down, you won't slice your thumb. So kids, don't do it at home. So you gotta carefully do it like such. So steel sharpens steel. Then next, you're gonna get your shrimp. You're gonna rip up in the bag. Regardless if the product is already packaged, you still wanna clean it in the proper way. Alright. So take your plastic container, take your shrimp, you grab the shrimp, that goes in the garbage.
Yes.
Recycles.
Yes.
So you'll be getting fish in the ocean. Rip up the tape. That when it's time to eat, you know, you can just chow down.
Enjoy.
Very simple. And even if the shrimp is frozen, you can just add a little bit of water, and it's gonna soften it out, and you can easily take it off. There's the shrimp. I don't know if you can see, but that's the shrimp. So today, I'm gonna try to walk the first time. So let's do it. You want to do it at a medium fire, like that. You know, whenever you put the oil and you put the garlic. But we're not gonna use oil because the shrimp I prefer to use myself. I prefer to use butter. It could be the butter of your choice because it's going to give her that much sweeter taste to it. So for keto purposes only, the recommended butter to use is the pasture raised, sea salted, you know, Vital Farms. Pretty good. For those who didn't know, whenever you get a bar of butter, I actually just figured this out recently. It's gonna have those markings, right? So basically, every line is gonna be a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, and so on. In this case, you're gonna be using half the bar, 3 tablespoons of butter. But if you do it like this, it's much easier. Nicely melted away, so that's why I say you put the fire medium. If you put the fire too hot, the butter is going to burn out too quick and it's going to turn a darker color. Now, I love to use garlic, preferably the minced garlic. Alright. Because garlic and seafood, they go together perfectly. So I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of garlic. And the second you put the garlic in, the smell of it is just delicious. Yeah. Then the next thing you're gonna add quickly is gonna be some adobo. You're gonna put just enough. Some Louisiana made slap your mama. Cajun slap your mama. You put it to your taste. Next thing you're gonna add, this is a Hispanic household. We use a lot of Goya products because it gives it, you know, the natural taste, sweet taste. So we're gonna use this sazon. The translation, I do not know it, but this is gonna give it a nice orangey color. For my Marine friends out there, Marines can cook real good. This particular Marine can cook really good. This is combat cooking 101. Alright. So whenever you try this at home, you're gonna see the smell. It's just beyond delicious. Dip your finger in there. Great. Now, so I say the shrimp's been there for like about a minute. We're gonna give it one more, you know, moving it constantly so the shrimp can maintain its size and you can enjoy it more. I mean, it's not gonna dry out because once it shrinks, it kind of dries out and you won't really get to taste the flavors that good. Alright, once that's done, you're gonna go ahead, remove the shrimp. You're gonna lower your fire when you get the crab meat ready so that it won't burn again. And you may want to go ahead and add another tablespoon worth of butter since the shrimp already soaked most of it up. And you add one more garlic. In the meantime, you can just set this aside. Alright. Put it in there. Put the fire back to medium. If you're a lover of seafood, then you're gonna really enjoy this. So for a little more coloring, we're gonna add again some of the Goya seasoning. I will show you exactly the package so that you can get it yourselves. Con culantro and achiote. And here we have lemon pepper combination. So you're gonna add a little bit of that. Again, when you add these condiments, you're gonna do it to your liking. Type of seafood, you know, it just cooks really fast. So basically, you can be done with this in under 5 minutes. It can be really healthy and really good. add the broccoli. We're gonna add the remaining of the butter, which at this point it should be 2 tablespoons. Get that bad boy in. Then a pinch of the adobo. Just enough. Then I'm gonna add a pinch of regular pepper. That's done. We're also gonna be adding some chicken broth. Now to expedite the process, I'm just gonna put this lid in so that you can start sweating and basically speed up the cooking process. So now we play the waiting game. Whoa. Shrimp. Once you try this, oh, use a little dive in saliva that came out, but it's just that delicious.
Yes.
This right here, my shrimp will change your life. You understand that? You understand that? So now we just look pretty for the camera. It's delicious. Alright guys, welcome back. Now we're gonna see what we got working on here. Now by this point the broccoli is already nice and soft. You know, basically swimming in the sauce with the seasoning that we made for it. Then again, more than welcome to use your own seasoning, whatever you like, but I would recommend for you to try this one first, so you can enjoy some great food. And once that's done, you can either do 2 things. You can just take it out and place it separately, or you can combine everything. So in this video, we're gonna do it all together. Alright. Now you can lower your fire. Just let it simmer there for a minute or 2. And at this point, you're ready to serve. That'll be the final product. Voila. Your keto style shrimp and broccoli with crab. Well guys, I hope you enjoy this whenever you make it. This has been a portion of dhalimartin's Cooking with Rambo. It's your boy Rambo, also known as Carlos, better known as her husband. Yeah, like and share this video. There's supposed to be a little bell on the side, so tling 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 tling. No, wherever the bell might be, you never know. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. Yes, no, don't forget to like this video. Please share it, comment if you find anything that you liked, that you didn't like. Feedback is always welcome and needed for us to continue to improve. For the new content, you know, every once in a while we're gonna be posting Or I'm gonna be the one actually doing the cooking with Rambo sections and some keto dishes. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed our shrimp and broccoli with the bogus crab meat dish. We're basically run out of time, so now basically I'm saying goodbye. Salute to you guys. Thank you for your support, and all feedback, regardless, is welcome. All right. So, like I said, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends and family. Try our meals. You're gonna come back for more. This was Cooking with Rambo. Thank you very much. Goodbye.